All right, boys. So we have our first casualty in the World Cup. Some may call it impulsive. I call it decisive. This is what a serious federation does because they've assessed and looked at Tunisia, especially in the games that they've played leading up to this World Cup. And I think this coach was on the final straw because after that 5-1 thrashing in their opening campaign of the World Cup against Sweden, they said it's enough. For the next 2 games, we want to see someone else representing us because you are clearly sabotaging us. This is not how we want our football to be represented at the biggest stage. I mean, it's a risky decision because it could go either way. Maybe the chaos erupts even further in the dressing room because there's no manager to take control of it, right? Or they could simply look at each other and say, let's unite. Let's go back to our identity, how we know how to play football, right? We are the ones who brought us this far. We qualified for the World Cup playing a certain way. So let's revert back to that because the performances of Tunisia were atrocious leading to a World Cup, right? They were very, very poor. It's similar to the situation we're having with South Africa, actually. But like I said, man, I have a lot of respect for the Federation in Tunisia because they said we cannot continue to be embarrassed in this manner in the biggest stage of football. This is an opportunity for us to show the world how we play this beautiful game and we won't have one man sabotage us. Yeah? Safa, are you taking notes? It's not too late, man. We can still do it. We still have Tuesday and Wednesday. Please. Nah. Lamjita uyandibasela yazi mfethu Bruce. I haven't healed. Bro, the more I think about it, it's hi man. And he's acting like without him, we wouldn't have even gotten to this stage, right? We wouldn't have qualified for the World Cup. That could be partially true. But it's mainly because we have talent. We do have the talent. We didn't have the discipline in the dressing room. We didn't have the respect from ISAFA, from the federation. But on the pitch, we do have the talent. That's where you need to trust the players. Bruce has done the hard part, bruh. He's done the hard part. You just let the players play the way they know how to, right? They will have the solutions to all the problems that are posed to them on the pitch. Relax, because clearly we've seen that tactical-wise, rust. It shows you are about to retire. Yeah, but yeah, let me stop before I